Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kayla Jones, and today I have a video for all you new incoming college freshmen, or any of you guys who really want to know what you actually have to bring to college. So let's get started. So to start off with bedding, you're going to need a mattress pad and a mattress topper. A mattress pad is like it's like a soft little foam that you put on top of your bed to keep it soft, and usually the beds or the mattresses that they give you at college are like brick hard, so you're gonna need something that'll like go over top of that so you're comfortable when you're sleeping. And then the mattress topper is so like you can avoid from all the bed bugs and all that nasty stuff that's on the mattress. Another like side item that I wish I had that I didn't have is a bedside pocket, and it's like a little pocket that you can put on the side of your bed. And I didn't really have like a side table, so I had to use like a long extension cord if I wanted to charge my phone. And when I charge my phone at night, I just literally like left it on my bed. So like these bedside pockets, you can put like your computer in it, or you can put like your phone in it, or whatever you want to put in it when like you don't want to use it anymore, instead of just leaving it all over your bed. The last thing I'd say you probably need is an extra set of sheets, because you don't want to be having to go to the laundry room all the time to keep having to wash your sheets. And I know at my school you had to like pay for laundry. I'm pretty sure that's how it is everywhere, but you had to pay for laundry, and it was not cheap. So you don't want to have to keep going back and forth between each, like if like let's just say if you had 2 sets of sheets, you're gonna need more than that. So in regards to bathroom stuff, you're gonna need shower shoes. I remember when I was watching these type of videos last year when I was about to be a freshman, I was like, what the heck are shower shoes? Shower shoes are what you need. It's okay, that sounds dumb. Shower shoes are literally what you need to wear in the shower, because it is not clean. Like, I don't know, like I'll even clean my bathroom, and just because it was at a school where a whole bunch of people use that same shower, I just still want to put on shower shoes. So you'll also need like a robe if you live in a dorm that has communal bathrooms. I know I personally didn't have communal bathrooms for my first year. I just had it was like me and another girl shared a room, and then it was like what is it called? I can't remember the name. But me and another girl shared a room, and then between that it was a bathroom, and then on the other side it was 2 other girls on the other side of the room. So I didn't really need a robe, but if you do have communal bathrooms, you're gonna need like a robe to be walking around, because I don't think your hallmates wanna see you naked or anything. So the next thing you're gonna need is a shower caddy. And a shower caddy, you can put like all your shower stuff in there, so it's easier to like carry on with you. I didn't use a shower caddy for my first year. I actually used an IKEA cart, and I just rolled it into my bathroom. I felt like that was a little more easier than having to roll that little bag, because I do bring a lot of things in the shower with me, so I just had to just like roll it into the bathroom. The next thing you need is cleaning supplies. Obviously you're going to want to clean your bathroom. I think that's really essential to have cleaning supplies to be able to clean your bathroom, because it gets so dirty, especially if you have other people who do not like to clean their bathroom and you have to do it all the time. But I mean, if you have community bathrooms, then you don't really have to worry about cleaning it, unless you just want to bring your supplies with you and clean before you use it. I mean, hey, you doing you, that's fine. And the last thing you're going to need is probably a lot of bath towels. Again, for the same reason as the sheets, you don't want to have to keep going back and forth with laundry. So with clothing and shoes, you're probably going to want like an outfit that is business casual, or even business in general, because you could have like an interview or something important that you might want to or that you need to go to, and like that's the dress code. So it's really important to have that, at least one outfit in your closet. Another thing that I think you should bring is some rain boots, because I know at my school, like when it rained, it flooded, and I didn't really have the shoes that I needed at the time when I first got there, and I did not know that when it rained at that school, it flooded. The next closet item you should probably bring with you are thin hangers like this one, because thin hangers means more clothes. And I know that when I was watching these videos last year, people always said, oh, don't bring too many clothes, don't bring too many clothes, you don't need all of them. But I accidentally ended up doing it anyways, and with these hangers, I was able to fit more clothes than I actually thought I'd be able to, because I already knew that when I packed on my clothes, I had way too many. But them thing hangers made it work for me. And then the last thing you should bring with you is like a shoe pocket organizer or something to hold your shoes, because I know that if I didn't bring my little shoe pocket thing, then I don't know where I would have put my shoes at, because I had no space for my shoes. I'm sorry y'all if the lighting is changing. It is literally raining right now and I'm trying to hurry up and film this video. But the last couple of things, you're gonna need an extension cord, like a couple extension cords actually, because I know that on my side of the room I only had two extension cord, or not extension, I only had two outlets, so I only brought one extension cord with me, and I only used that for under my desk, and I ended up having to buy a couple more because obviously I needed to plug in like way more stuff than just having four like inputs. Another thing, you should probably bring like a vacuum, like if you have carpet, or bring like a broom and dustpan if you have like hard floor, because I know that I had hard floor and it got dirty like all the time. Like I had to sweep at least like 2 times a week. You're also going to want to bring a lot of storage containers, because you're going to have like a whole bunch of other things that you don't know where to put them, so you can just put them in like little containers and boxes and stuff. So I know I already talked about rain boots, but you're probably going to want an umbrella also. You can't forget to bring an umbrella or a rain jacket, because if it's raining and you're outside and you have to walk somewhere far, you do not want to get wet. And you should probably always like keep the umbrella like in your book bag with you. That's what I did personally, because sometimes I didn't even check the weather before I left out because I would forget. And the fact that I had my umbrella on the side of me on my book bag, I can just like pull it out and use it so I wouldn't be getting soaking wet. So with your health stuff, you're probably going to want to bring medicine, like any types of medicines that you need, and also a first aid kit. First aid kits come in handy. I definitely used a lot of band-aids during the year because I am clumsy and I had a lot of falls and mistakes. And then the last thing you should bring is like a bowl and a plate. And when I say I literally mean one. Like one plate and one bowl and probably one cup or a couple cups. You can bring a couple cups, but I only say this because I know that I brought a lot of like, I guess, kitchen stuff, and I did not use a lot of it. And I know that when I did want to use it, I got so lazy and I never wanted to clean it. Like, you may think that you're gonna want to clean it, because I remember people were telling me this when I was watching the videos. I did watch a lot of these freshman videos when it was time for me to be a freshman, and people were like, you don't really need a lot, but I still brought a lot. And you really do get lazy. Like, when you have a whole bunch of schoolwork and a whole bunch of things to do, you don't want to clean it. You don't feel like cleaning it, especially if you have communal bathrooms. That means you have to walk all the way over to the bathroom outside your door to go clean it, and it's just an extra hassle. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and also comment down below some other videos you would like to see, and I will see you guys in my next video.